Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to either share a single document or an entire folder knowledge base. So let's get straight into it. So first open the document or folder containing your flashcard. So what you are going to do is simply head over here to the documents and folder and you will see your folder right over here. So let's open it up. Now at the top right corner you will see the share button. So if you click on it, you will see now three options. So you can share the link, share to course, or share to the group. So when someone opens the link, they can click practice to study the cards in their browser or duplicate to knowledge base to save a copy into their own RemNote account. All right. Now, if you want to send your cards as a file to move to another account or for offline backup, you can click right here, three dots at the top right corner of the document and then select export. Now you can select here RemNote complete, RemNote without text of notes, text, markdown, HTML, and so on. So if you select markdown is a standard text, just like that. If you select, let's say, complete right here, it doesn't show anything. HTML, it will show like that. So let's say I want as a markdown. And yeah, and then we just click export and file will be downloaded. So now we also have one option which is can be useful if your friends using Anki, not the RemNote. So if you click here, drop down menu, you will see also the Anki here, only cards, and you can export it this way. So it will transform the RemNote to the Anki, and then it can be imported directly into the Anki program. So yeah, this is basically it. So this is how you share RemNote flashcard. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.